If you're going to spend long hours behind the wheel of your Pioneer, comfort isn't optional, it's essential. Fortunately, this truck has you covered with a fully customizable driver's seat designed for long-haul performance. Let's walk through the features. The Pioneer's air suspension seat is packed with controls to help you find your perfect position. On the left side, you'll find the air dump valve. Pressing it down releases the air from the seat, making it easier to get in and out. Move it back up, and the seat returns to your set height. You can fine-tune the seat height with the height control valve. Simply move it up or down until it feels right. To adjust the seat back angle, just pull the lever. Need more leg room? Slide the entire seat forward or back by pulling the bar to the front of the seat base. For extra customization, there are two front levers. The left lever adjusts the tilt of the seat. The right lever moves the seat cushion forward or back. Now, let's look at the switches on the right side. This may vary depending on your truck's configuration, but here's the breakdown. The first two switches control lumbar support, one for your upper back and one for your lower back. Next, the bolster controls inflate or deflate the side cushions on the seat and back. Press up to add support, down to release air. The adjustable damper lets you dial in your ride quality. Slide it one way for a firmer, more stable ride, and the other for a softer, bouncier feel. Beside that, you'll find a lock and unlock handle for the seat's movement. Now let's make things even more comfortable. The three-way temperature switch gives you vented cooling, off, or heated seating. A second switch lets you choose low, medium, or high intensity for heating or cooling. And finally, the massage feature. Turn it on, and you'll get a gentle massage to reduce fatigue, improve circulation, and keep you comfortable on long drives. So, whether you're adjusting for ergonomics, dialing ride comfort, or just keeping yourself relaxed on the road, this seat is built to make every mile in your Pioneer feel easier.